are the top 5 ringtones taking over 2025 that people just can't get enough of. From viral beats to head-turning tunes, these ringtones are all over everyone's phones this year. And believe me, the #1 ringtone, every guy's got it on his phone, no doubt. But first, don't forget to smash the like button. Number 5, You and I. Number 4, Cradles.
Hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Number 3, Suzume. Number 2, Maroon 5.
Cheers to the wish you were here, but you're not, 'cause our dreams bring back all the memories of it.
Before you see the #1 ringtone, make sure to hit that like button. Number 1, Ava.
Oceans in between us.